we are going to understand Leetcode 125 valid palindrome question. So I have already uploaded 2 videos in this playlist. So this playlist is about the preparation of FAANG interview in 180 days, and I'll try to cover everything so you will be ready in 180 days. Okay, so let's understand for this episode. Okay, so we are going to see the valid palindrome. Okay, so ever wondered how to check if a phrase is a palindrome, ignoring spaces, punctuations, and even cases, right? So well, today we will solve that in Java using a super clean 2-pointer approach. So let's go. Okay, so here is a problem, right? And the problem is saying that a string is a palindrome if it reads the same forward and backward, but we have to ignore none alphanumeric character and case. So you pause this video and go through the statements and all the example that we have given in this case, right? So what is the input we have given in this example, right? So what we have given in the statement is, first it is saying the phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase and removing all the non alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Okay, so we have given a string s and return true if the string is palindrome, or not then return false. Okay, so example 1, we have given input giving s is like this, and we have returned true because after doing those operations we are getting this element, right? And this string, you can say, is a palindrome. Okay, so a man, a plan, a canal, right? Like that we have given. And so if you do those operations, you will see it will come like this, and it's a expected output. Okay, so how we are going to solve this, right? Let me show you the very optimal, not optimal problem, but this is going we can say brute force approach, you can say, where normal people thinks, or you can say you are not going to do tricky, but according to the operations you can try, right? So first of all, what I have tried, I have created a string s is equal to s dot to lowercase. I have converted into the lowercase of the string, and then I have removed all the alphanumeric character, non-alphanumeric characters, and for that I have created a separate method where I'm replacing the string replace all. This is the string method where we will replace all the alphanumeric character, and this is the you can say pattern we have to provide here, right? And so a to z will be there, a to capital Z will be there, and 0 to 9, right? And we will remove all the alphanumeric characters here. Okay, after that we are converting into the string to a string builder, so that I can easily do reverse, and I can make equals, right, over the string to check the current the previous string, right? And so we will get the result, and result will be true. Okay, but the best way to write the code and to optimize the code is to use the you can say trick, or you can say pattern. So this is a sliding window approach, right, where we will use left and right 2 pointers, right? Or you can say 2 pointers you can also use. So we can take 2 pointers approach we are going to do. So left and right we will use 2 pointers, and we'll move in such a way that we can check each character one by one, right? So we'll start with the 2 pointer, one from the start and other from the end, right? So start is left, or end is right. So we skip anything that's not a letter or a digit. But what we will do, if while the left is less than right, what we will do, we'll add left is less than right. We'll check also if the character is letter or digit. So if the character is not letter and digit at that point, means left means the start at the index of the string, then we'll do plus plus and we'll increase the left pointer. Okay, so we'll skip anything that's not a letter or digit, and then we'll compare each pair after converting to the lowercase, right? So similarly, we'll move left pointer to the next pointer, right, and then move right pointer to the previous numeric character will do the same. If it is not character, we'll do plus plus. If it is character, we'll do minus minus, right? Sorry. We'll move left pointer to the next pointer, to the next alphanumeric character. If not, it is not a character, right? Otherwise, what we will do, we'll reduce the right minus minus. We'll move the right pointer to the previous character, right? If the character is not at the right, means at the right or left. If the character is not there, means alphanumeric character is there, right? Means the character should not be letter or digit, right? If it is not letter digit, then what we will do, we will so the left side will do plus plus and right side will do minus minus. We will reduce this. Okay, now we'll do the compare. Why we are doing, actually, let's suppose if this side is some star is there, okay, so we will ignore that. We'll start from here, let's suppose. Okay, and if in the last, let's suppose there is a star, right, we will not take that. We will start from the next one. Okay, like that we are doing here, right? We'll do left plus plus and right minus minus. Then we will compare the character ignoring case. Means we are not comparing all the things, all the character at a place, but we are checking from the middle itself, right? Means what we are doing, we are checking at left and at right, at one place. If it is not matching, so we are not going to check all the things, right? Let's suppose if at left and at right both are not same, right, then we do not need to check for others character. If there is A and there is B, right, then we will not do continue to check, right? Will return there itself. So it is easy, it is optimized, you can say. We are not going for the other checks because the first itself is not matching, then we will not go for further. And that is happening here. We are doing the same thing here. We are checking the character, both character is not matching, right? It normally will return false. Otherwise we'll do left plus plus and right minus minus. Means from this side and this side will decreasing, right? And so this approach is perfect. That is why this is called two pointer approach, and it's easy and it is optimized. Okay, so let me know in the comment box you like this video or not, and if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. I'll help you there. Okay, so this is easy problem, guys, and you should be able to implement it. Okay, so let me recap again. So what is the approach is here? We'll take two pointer. The first will take in the right side and the another will take in the left side, right? And we'll keep checking if two cases we have to add, these two cases we have to add. If at left side, if it is if it is letter or digit, right? If it is letter digit, then fine. If it is not letter digit, then we'll increase from the left side. If it is, let's suppose what I'm trying to say here, in this, let's suppose in this case, okay, if there is a star in place of star or has, let's suppose like this. Okay, so at a start, left is here and right is here. Okay, so sorry, left is here, so we'll increase the left till here. If it will say still is the problem, we'll keep increasing. Now the left is here, so once our left is here, we'll keep it here. Similarly we'll check for this one. Okay, and we'll say star like this 3. So right will start from here, but this is not letter or digit, so we'll keep decreasing this till that we'll decrease it and we'll come here. Now our string will become like this. Okay, it means we will ignore we are ignoring these things, right? Like this we are ignoring, right? And now our string is, now our two pointer, the pointer left and right will look like this. A small window will like this. So small window is from here to here, where you can see our own character, no need to see other characters. Like a two pointer, only we can see the window that we required. Okay, and then from once your things are ready, right, let's remove this one. Once it is ready, then what we will do, let's suppose here we'll check the left character and right character will check. Okay, if it is not, let's suppose in this case here is B, right? So we do not need to go further to check all these characters. Okay, but this is A, means we have to continue to check this one. Now our in the next one we will check this one, so both are matching. Now in the next one we have already checked next we will check like this one. So like this we have to keep checking, and then will update, once it will not match, right, then we'll return false. Otherwise we'll do left plus plus and right minus minus, so that at left it was here, now the left is at here. Similarly the right was here, now the right is at here. It is reducing, you can see right is reducing and left is increasing, right? You just increase one point here, like this, right? Now you can see left is increasing and right is decreasing, right? So this is the main concept behind in this program, right? Only these two things is there if the special characters is coming in the left side and right side. Other than, means it is not letter or not digit. In that case we'll increase the left or we'll decrease the right. Otherwise what we will do, we'll check the left character, what is the left character we have, or is that the right character is there. If both are matching, we'll do left plus plus plus, right minus minus minus. Okay, and then finally we'll return true, because this is our result, and that is very required here. Okay, so if we'll talk about the complexity, right, what is the complexity here? Okay, so the complexity is here O of n times, because we are going for all the characters at a time, right? We are going for all the characters, and we are not taking any extra spaces is here, and so the space complexity will become what? O of 1 time, right? Okay, so if you are in an interview and you want to start with the approach, right, your interview may ask you how we're going to implement it, right? So first start with the simple approach that I have shown you here, means you can start from here, right? You can simply convert into the lowercase, then you can remove all the alphanumeric character. You can start with the replacing string and replace all the alphanumeric characters, and non alphanumeric characters you can remove, and you can use the pattern like this and you will remove it, right? And otherwise you can use the 2-pointer algorithm here, and that will work for you. So let me know if you have any doubts, guys. Please hit subscribe the channel and let me know in your comment. Thank you for watching this video.